Number 1. 1970 Ford F-250, price $8,800, showing 90,400 miles on the odometer, though total mileage cannot be verified. Powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, it features factory air conditioning, power steering, power disc brakes, headers, and a dual exhaust system, benefiting from recent mechanical updates including a new clutch, starter, master cylinder, brake calipers, and fuel pump. Inside, it sports a black interior where the wipers, stereo, lights, tachometer, and turn signals all function properly, though the gas gauge is currently non-working. The factory AC system is completely intact and blows air, but it requires servicing to run cold, and there is a crack in the windshield that does not obstruct the driver's view. While it exhibits a typical FE series exhaust leak, the vehicle remains remarkably solid overall, featuring zero rust in the bed, cab mounts, or around the windshield, with only minor rust present on the floorboards and core support. Number 2. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500, showing 183,000 miles on the odometer, featuring a white exterior, a gray interior, and powered by a gasoline-fueled 5.7-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Religiously serviced and meticulously maintained, the truck runs on premium gasoline, displays no check engine light, emits no smoke, and recently received a full inspection alongside a fresh oil change. Performance and handling upgrades include a Volant cold air intake, new front and rear shocks, a proper 2/4 drop kit for a lowered stance that retains truck functionality, and 22-inch staggered wheels wrapped in newer tires following a recent alignment. A Flowmaster Catback dual exhaust delivers a great sound without being overly loud, while the braking system has been recently serviced and works perfectly. The cabin features a remarkably clean 910 non-smoker gray interior with comfortable, tear-free seating, a recent heater core, and a professionally installed aftermarket stereo system equipped with a Rockford Fosgate amplifier and a 10-inch subwoofer mounted under the rear seat. Number 3. 2002 Ford Ranger, price $6,500. The truck is a remarkably capable and versatile gasoline-powered 4x4 pickup showing 175,000 original miles on the odometer, featuring a bold red exterior, a refined black interior, and a 5-speed manual transmission complete with traditional floor-shifted 4WD control. Underneath the hood sits a durable 4.0-liter V6 engine that runs and drives great, offering robust power for both highway cruising and rugged trail exploration. Built specifically for tough terrain, this FX4 model comes heavily equipped with factory off-road enhancements including a specialized off-road suspension system, protective skid plates underneath, a limited-slip rear differential for improved traction, fog lights, alloy wheels, a functional bedliner, and a full tow package ready for hauling, all topped off with a color-matched Lear canopy over the truck bed for secure cargo storage. Inside the cabin, the black interior blends rugged utility with high-end convenience, providing driver and passengers with heated seats, air conditioning, power windows, power locks, cruise control, tilt steering, and an AM/FM stereo system. Number 4. 1997 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,500, showing 189,000 miles on the odometer, presented with a classic black exterior paired with a comfortable gray interior and an automatic transmission. Under the hood, it features a dependable 5.7-liter V8 engine mated to a robust 4L80E automatic transmission and user-friendly push-button 4WD, running smooth and quiet with no engine ticks or knocks while delivering seamless gear shifts. The vehicle's cabin maintains full operational functionality, complete with both air conditioning and heating systems that work efficiently to keep passengers comfortable in all seasons. Visually, the truck retains a very presentable appearance overall, despite a couple of minor spots where the clear coat is beginning to fail on the driver's side fender and door frame. This truck stands as a highly solid and capable option for both work duties and daily driving. Number 5. 1989 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,500, showing 115,000 miles on the odometer, presented in a traditional brown exterior paired with a refreshed tan interior and powered by a gasoline engine mated to an engaging manual transmission. The truck runs smoothly and is in solid overall condition, with its 4x4 system operating seamlessly for off-road or inclement weather driving. It has benefited from extensive mechanical updating, featuring an entirely brand new air conditioning system that blows ice-cold air, along with a fresh distributor, a new axle joint, a reliable new battery, and a newly installed bedliner to protect the cargo area from wear and tear. Inside the cabin, the tan interior has been extensively restored to offer a comfortable and tidy driving environment, complete with brand new seat upholstery, a fresh headliner, and replacement seatbelts, while the vehicle does show a minor oil leak and a couple of small, age-typical rust spots. Number 6. 2001 Ford Ranger, price $4,700, showing 179,600 miles on the odometer, featuring a vibrant red exterior, a gray interior, and powered by an efficient 3.0-liter six-cylinder gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck has no mechanical issues or fluid leaks, runs completely smooth, and comes with a clean title and a recently completed smog check. The red paint is in impressive condition, rated at 8.5 out of 10 with no dents, while the exterior comes practical and ready for work with tinted windows, brand new tires, a sturdy bed toolbox, and utility racks included. Inside the cabin, the gray interior is remarkably clean and well kept, offering comfortable driving amenities such as a cold-blowing air conditioning system and an upgraded Pioneer Bluetooth stereo. Combining practical work accessories with exceptional overall maintenance and clean cosmetic condition inside and out, this Ranger stands out as a turnkey, reliable daily driver or work truck. Number 7. 1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,800, showing 280,000 miles on the odometer, featuring a gold exterior, a tan interior, and an automatic transmission. The highlight of this gasoline-powered OBS truck is its freshly installed remanufactured 4.3-liter V6 engine, which has only accumulated approximately 50 miles since installation. It is being sold in honest, driver-quality condition rather than as a fully restored vehicle, as both the gold paint and tan interior show clear signs of age and normal wear. Number 8. 1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000, showing just 88,000 original miles, powered by a 350 TBI small block V8 engine mated to an automatic transmission with overdrive. It is in great mechanical shape thanks to extensive recent maintenance within the last 200 miles, including brand new tires, a new fuel pump, a new EGR valve, a new thermostat, new sensors, new spark plugs, wires, and distributor cap, along with a full coolant flush, fresh oil change, new air filter, and new wipers. While the truck runs exceptionally well, it shows minor cosmetic flaws such as chipped paint, a sun-cracked dash, a headliner in need of attention, and an SC system that does not blow cold. Number 9. 1999 Chevrolet S10, price $4,000, showing just 18,200 miles on the odometer, presented with a red exterior, a gray interior, and powered by a gasoline-fueled V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck runs excellent and remains in really good overall condition, benefiting from several new parts including a fresh battery, radiator, a seat condenser, front bumper, and radiator support. The air conditioning system functions properly and blows cold air. While it requires a new paint job and a little TLC cosmetics-wise, its remarkably low mileage and strong mechanical foundation make it a standout compact truck with great potential. Number 10. 2004 Ford F-150, price $2,500, showing 242,000 miles on the odometer, presented with a vibrant blue exterior paired with a practical gray interior. Under the hood, it is powered by a robust 5.4-liter Triton V8 gasoline engine mated to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives well, offering strong performance for daily driving or work duties while maintaining peace of mind with a clean title. Inside the cabin, the vehicle remains fully functional and comfortable, featuring ice-cold air conditioning along with power options that operate properly throughout. Combining classic full-size Ford capability with reliable everyday utility, this F-150 stands as a practical and well-maintained option for any truck buyer.